Hello and welcome to One Man and His Vlog. We are at a village called Ban Mio Microwave and it is mountainous. Take a look at this. And up there is the village we shall be going in. Absolutely stunning here. Right, let's take a ride on my daughter's moped into the village of Ban Mio Microwave. Right, off we go. Start the hairdryer up. Let's see what this village is all about. It's a very narrow road. You've got to bib the hooter coming up here. Look at the view. Just mountain after mountain up there. Look at that. Spectacular. Absolutely is. This is a hill tribe village we are heading into. Wow. It's a bit greener now, Mahon Song. Look at that, they're growing stuff on the hills. Eh? Amazing. I don't know what's in there. Could be anything. Now look at this. Wow. What a view. We're coming into the village up the top. It's about 30 minutes from Mahon Song town centre, heading towards Kunyum and Mayserianway. That folks out in the field working. Look at that. Imagine working at that angle. Look. Oh, blimey. I should imagine it's garlic in there. It's my guess. There's a lot of garlic in this area. Look at that. They even worked down there. Oh, look at the angle. Wow. Not far to go now. Imagine you get two cars here. It's not easy coming in and out. Right. I've been up here before. Been a while. Hopefully we see some traditional hill tribe folk. We're not far. Road's not so good as the main roads, but it's all right. It's not too bad. Little pothole there, but their main roads are better. Look at that. I'll just show you that scenery. That and some sort of crest in there or something. Amazing. It's got to watch out for cars coming. Nice and slow. A couple of children. Oh. Hello. Body car. Oh, car coming. That's what you got to watch out for. Look at this. We're nearly there. We'll see what this village is all about. Right. And here's the entrance to the village. That, I'm guessing in Thai, is what the name is. Ban Mio Microwave. School up there. Sound the bell, school's in. And the view's out there. Speaking of school, I have landed a job as a school teacher. Not an easy profession, but nevertheless a good job. And I shall keep going. Yeah, the children are so well behaved in Thailand. So it's a pleasure. They are so good. Here we are, Ban Mio Microwave. As we come into this hill tribe village, a proper hill tribe village. Chickens. That. shop there. Locals drinking Loud Cow, the old rice whiskey. I should be having some of that tonight, some rice whiskey. And good luck to the England women for Sunday against Spain. Hello, Conlen. Some real hill tribe children. Conlen is toys. They got their little diggers. And the reason this is called Microwave, I shall show you why this place is called Microwave. That lot pigs kept in there. I can smell them. They've probably not got a happy ending. This is a real hill tribe. Yeah, they're probably going to get eaten. You can smell the pigs. Well, you can't, but I can. That's me, not a nice smell. Let's pull over for this little stand. Right, it's a narrow road. I shall show you why it's called Microwave up here. Not far to go, bit of a, probably up there we're heading, right to the top, right to the summit. Another van, I don't know what's going on up here. You can hear the hooter bibbing, he's warning us. I must have built a Tesco's up here or something. Well, I heard him bib, but I can't see him. Maybe he's going up. I don't know whether they'll risk it. I'll go a bit more forward. Definitely heard a beat. He might be going up. I thought something was coming this way. We're all right. I can hear him now. There he comes. Hello. Friendly village. Look at that. There's a bit of a view of where we've just been. I shall be beeping on the way back down. Probably get some near misses up down here with this narrow road, especially with the tyres drinking the old Loud Cow. Very strong whiskey. I shall be drinking that tonight, as I am on a Thai wage. But not too much. Don't want to overdo it. But it's a cheap and quick way to get drunk. Right, let's go up. We should see some terrific views because we're going climbing higher and higher. Oh, down there. Up. Right. Twists and turns all the way. Look at that. That's where we're heading, and that's why it's called Microwave, because of all the antennas. And we are nearly up the top. That, another little greenhouse. That, water in there. Look at that. That gives you the view of where we've just been. Proper hill tribe, proper Thailand. Lovely, lovely Thailand. Look at that. Look, bloke working in the fields at that. Look at them on the hills. Wow. They're working away, digging and digging. Wow. Amazing Thailand. Look at that. What a view. What a view. And you see the school in the background there. So that's clouding up. It is rainy season, but it's not going to rain today. It's not going to rain tomorrow. It's not going to rain Sunday. But I would like to see the sun out, as I have Friday off today. Because the school that I work at, they're having making costumes for a carnival. So I've got Friday off and I go back Monday, but I will still be vlogging. I will not stop my YouTube channel, so please keep watching. Look at the clouds on the mountains. Wonderful, wonderful. Look at this. Look at that. What a view. We're nearly up the top. I expect it's called microwave when the sun's out, because you feel like you're in a microwave. Especially when you're European. Right, nearly there, nearly to the top. Just round this corner, and I'm guessing we're right up the top of BAM Microwave. I will try and show you the views. We shall stop the bike up the top, and here is the top of Microwave. Look at this, and that's why it's called Microwave. It's all the antennas, but what a good place to put your communications in, eh? Everyone can get a signal from miles around because it's right up high. Reminds me of like Grand Theft Auto 4, if you played that. When you go at the top of the mountain, you see all this. GTA 4, and that is it. That is Microwave. Don't think you can get any further. We are right up the top. Sorry, cab. Right. That is it for today's vlog. Little short one for you about BAM Microwave. And good luck, England, in the final Sunday. Come on, you Lionesses. Right, see you all in the next vlog, folks. Take care. The next vlog I shall probably do about in a week's time. My weekends I'll be vlogging, so probably one a week now. Okay, take care and peace out.